Grade it like you mean it. Welcome to my job site, Big Truck Court. Right now it's Thursday. We got rain coming Friday. We're trying to get this whole area covered, sealed up, and as much asphalt down to protect my GAB on the job site. I got 2 base crews. I got a paving crew going. The total amount of GAB we're shooting for is about 25,000 tons.
Looks like that yellow jacket wants your Mountain Dew.
Can't have it. I need the caffeine so I can get this work done.
How long have you been a base foreman?
I've been base foreman for 20 years.
How long did it take you to learn the motor grader?
It took me about 3 or 4 years.
What'd you do before running the motor grader?
I was in school. I started when I was 18 years old.
Were you on a base crew then?
Yeah, I was in a base crew with my father. I run the rollers and the loader before I started on the motor grader.
Do you still shovel even though you're a foreman?
Yes, I do. I mean, the goal is to get the job done. So whatever needs to be done, I mean, we have to do it.
All right, let's get up in here.
That's our GPS, a GNSS system that helps us do some fine grading, and basically it helps us a lot with this system.
Both crews are running GPS.
Where's your station set up?
Over on the east side of the lot. And both graders are running off of 1mm station. The crews out here are really good. They're very organized. They listen to me. The only way I think it could run better if we could have got a little more rock quicker. Right now we're at a pace to average 4,200 tons a day.
What do you like best about running the motor grader?
I think it's fine job to do. I like it. Grade the dirt and put GIB on top of that. Finish grade. I like all that stuff.
Do you still shovel even though you're a foreman?
I'm still sure. I'm still sure.
Did you get the subgrade covered up?
Yes, we did.
Keep on paving the way.